quick overview of some water treatment equipment used for humidification. So we got a carbon tank here, take out the chlorine out of the city water. Then we got dual H125 clack softeners with 2 brine tanks. And then we move over to the Helen brand RO system. Produces about 6.5 gallons a minute. Been running 0 ppm water, 523 hours runtime. We got off the storage tank, we got an absolute 0.2 tank breather filter. Out of the bottom of the tank, we go to a pump that's continuously on, recirculating out either to the line for humidification and or back to the tank with a UV, and then another 0.2 absolute 20-inch BB filter with a 2 gallon a minute flow control to help keep down any biofilm growth in between sanitizations. So just a quick overview here of treatment used for humidification.